Hi guys, I'm already in the south of Russia. I arrived in Krasnodar city, and this time I have decided to rent a flat in a business class block of flats. And right now I'm going to make a room tour for you. So let's get started.
So guys, this is how my business class apartment complex looks like. It was built in 2016 and considered to be business class. It is quite tricky to get inside because it has 9 entrances and you can't get into this entrance from the street. So you may get to some entrances from this shopping mall, and I need to get to this entrance through the parking space. So let's go to the parking space. For me it is quite unusual because I have never seen something like that. I mean that I can't get to the block of flats from the street. Many cars. I also actually was offered to have a parking place, but I don't have a car, so I refused. I found it quite inconvenient strolling around this parking space to find my entrance. Probably there is another way to get to this apartment complex, but I haven't found this way. So every time I need to go like this. Eventually found my entrance, my 5th entrance, and now we need to press the secret code just to let this door, this gray door, open. So let's do that. 904. Let's wait. I don't know who is opening the door, but the door is opened. You know, I feel like I'm on the secret object. Here is written that it is the way out to the parking space, also the way out to the parking space. The way is restricted, the way is restricted. So let's go upstairs. We need to 15, we go to 15th floor. 15th. Floor. There are 2 doors on the left side, and on the right side we need to go here.
So guys, welcome to my rented flat for $31 per day. This is one room flat. Let's start with opening this wardrobe because it has a secret. It has a secret room, like to store clothes. This is mine. Here I put my keys, some blankets and pillows here. Also for the cleaning, here is going to be a cleaning lady coming every 5 days. So let's go to the bathroom. Here we have the shower cabin, the washing machine, also the hair dryer, so that's all. Go into the kitchen. Actually, let's turn on the light, but it doesn't matter. What tells me here that it is a business class apartment? Actually, the oven, which is located not under the stove, because usually in flats the oven is right here, but here is like the angle for microwave and for the oven. So let's, oh my god, what is that? Let's open. Here is the microwave, and here is the oven. Also a filter for water, but I don't use it because I drink water in bottles. A small refrigerator. I don't know what is that, by the way, so probably, I don't know. Here is a small sofa, table, and what I like the most here is the view. Let's open the window. So that's it. Here we go, and here we go. This is the inner yard, and view over the street. So I think that the view is like the most what I like about this flat. Go into the room. Here is also the sofa, a bed, table light, but actually the lamp is only here because there is no lamp. I don't know why. The TV, and also the view. What is interesting that they have, that is like library, and here they have some books. So
they write down here that reading is useful and interesting. So they suggest reading these books. No name. What is that? The poetry of USSR. And the poetry from 4th to 18th century. What is that? Actually, haven't the faintest idea. I don't even know who all these people are. I think it is about the ancient Greece. This book about the ancient Greece. What is that? I don't know. Lev Tolstoy. Anna Karenina. How do you like the piece of Anna Karenina? And no Anna Karenina. Okay, let's put it in the box like it was. And also here the view. The view is quite the same. I like the window that they are like from the floor like to the ceiling almost. So pretty nice view. Pretty nice. Actually, what about curtains? It was written that they are like blackout, but I don't think so, because like when I was sleeping this night and the sun in the morning was shining and they can't totally like hide the sun. So probably it's okay, but what does it mean blackout? I think that sun shouldn't appear if it is blackout. So this is my small room tour of a flat in a business class block of flats. So actually for me it is the first time when I live in a business class block of flats. And also I told you about some inconvenience with find entrances, because the all territory around the block of flats is closed. Many securities, and you can't just go here if you are not living here. So I don't know, probably it's quite okay, and it's like a pro for people to be under securities. But for me, to some extent, I find it quite difficult going around finding the way, the entrance, I mean. So, but I like this flat in general. In general, I like it because of the view and because of the fact that I have holiday. And for me to be in the south of Russia, to be in warm weather, it is like the best pro I may even have. So thanks for being with me around this room tour, and stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, because I see the statistics, the analytics, that many people who are watching me, they're not subscribed. So please subscribe to my channel, and we gonna enjoy and discover new places together. So bye bye.